can take my bitch. And I'm too tired when I do swear I won't miss.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for those of you who are new. In today's video, I am just going to be doing my makeup, you guys. So I'm going to do my makeup for how I usually just wear it to work. I don't really do too much eyeshadow. I like to make sure I have some popping lashes, and I just like to really focus on my skin. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. I've already pretty much prepped and primed it. I've got my primer, moisturizer, got some eye cream, I've done my eyebrows. If you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, updated one, I could do that for you too. Just let me know in the comment box below. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be doing my everyday face. So you got bare skin Kaya right now. I don't think you guys have seen this in a while, but so I have about 45 minutes to do my makeup, so we're gonna try and get this done pretty quickly. I start off with my color corrector because as the time has went on, I kind of have dark spots right here around my mouth, and then I have these two dark spots right here on the side of my face that, you know, they're starting to lighten up some because I've been doing like some skincare routines to make sure that I can like lighten up certain dark spots on my face. I have them on my chin too, but that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and color correct. This really helps, guys, too, because it just helps with that darkness appearing on the side of my mouth. This really helps like keep that from happening. I switch my foundation like every day, but this is like my most fave foundation. This is the NARS foundation right here. It's the All Day Radiant one. I use the shade Macao. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how I'm gonna pronounce it. So yeah, it's a long wearing foundation and I really like it. Just usually just spray. I put like 3 dots on my face, put the rest on my chin, some on my forehead, and on my nose. I like to try and keep my nozzle as clean as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. I'm using my Real Technique sponge today. Really pretty out, and then I have to go sit inside all day. I'm about to take me a day off of work, y'all. Have you ever done that? Just took a day off because like I need it. I just need a day to myself to just sit and do nothing. Go ahead and blend out around them eyebrows. Trying to make sure I don't have like a halo brow. The concealer I used today to clean up my eyebrows was a little light. Moving on to concealer, I like to use the Maybelline concealer. It's the Instant Age Rewind. This is in the color Caramel. I also use Golden as well. Oh, actually this is Golden. It's a little bit lighter. So I'm kind of running low, but trust me, I already went and bought me a backup. And we gotta let that dry down a little bit because it is just a little wet. I want to have like girl talk. I want to have girl talk and talk about relationships. Y'all need to, I don't know how to set that up, but that's what I want to do. Because I feel like I need some advice. And then I might be able to give advice. Like, you guys, what y'all think? I think this is dried down enough. When you let it dry down, it usually just gets a little bit more tacky. So it'll make it where you can have a little bit more coverage. The concealer is a little bit moist, so I like to make sure I have coverage, especially under my eyes. I like that highlight look, okay? Now I have my I have my Ben Nye Luxury Powder. This is the banana powder. I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I like to use this little Laura Mercier powder puff. Pretty much setting everywhere where I just put that concealer. You guys know the drill. The drizzanae. So while this sits on my face for just like a few minutes, I'm going to use the MAC Film Noir blush and then the CoverGirl bronzer. This is the Ebony bronzer. Yeah, I have another one, but I'm determined to use every little bit and piece in here that I can because this is hard to find, y'all. Like, no joke, this is hard to find. If you know anywhere where to find this, let a girl know because I have one backup right now and I'm determined to not use it until all the pieces in here are gone. And then I like this one as well. They pretty much give the same color payout. This one's just a little bit darker. I'm going to take this e.l.f. flat top brush, powder brush, and just swipe, swipe, swipe all this goodness away. And because I like to make sure I have like some color, I use the Sephora Micro Smooth, the color Deep, and I just go over where that powder was and just make sure, you know, I still have my color, because sometimes that powder can make me look just a little bit too washed out, and I ain't trying to look that washed out. I like to cover the smile lines and let them bake a little bit. Then I'm gonna go underneath my contour and just carve it a little bit. And then for my eyelids, truthfully, I'll just take a blush, whatever I have at the moment, bronzer, and just put it in my crease just to add a little bit more definition to my eyes. So I think I'm gonna just go in with these two, just using a fluffy brush, any fluffy brush that I have, and I just go over my eyelid space. It's nothing special. I'm using the Tarte mascara. This is the Lights Camera Lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Luxie lashes. These are in the style Homegirl. Homegirl. And I'm also going to be using their lash glue as well. This is the Glue Boo Precision Eyelash Adhesive in the color Black. I'm going to go apply these and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got the eyelashes on. I'm going to move into my NYX bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose a little bit. Move into that same color from this blush palette and add some blush to my face. That was the Morphe blush palette, by the way, one of their old ones. It's the 9B blush palette. And now I'm going to move into highlight. This is MAC Beaming Blush. Now to remove my bake, I use that same Sephora powder and I wipe off that bake with the powder, so that way it won't be looking so light. It'll add some color back to my skin. And then I go back over it with whatever bronzer's left on my brush and just make sure I'm nice and toned out, not just looking like a light mess, if you know what I mean. And last thing are gonna be my lips. So I'm gonna use the NYX Matte Lip Liner, and this is in the color Club Hopper. And then I'm gonna add the Midi lipstick from ColourPop. And then I just add a little gloss on top because I love my gloss, y'all. This ain't nothing new. Ain't nothing new. Y'all know I always come on the cam with a glossy lip. Look, I'm even running out. I guess that's glossy enough, even though I could go glossier. And of course, to finish off the face, I'm going to use my Pearlescence Rose Water. I saw somebody else post about this on Instagram last night, and it made me so happy because I was like, I use that spray too. I love this spray, y'all. This my shit. Get it from TJ Maxx or Marshalls, okay? Only $7.99. Hydrating face mist. And it feels so good. My gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and go get changed and I'll be right back. All right guys, so this is the completed look. I have a ponytail going on. I just want you guys to get into the skin. Hey guys, that ends this makeup tutorial. I do hope you guys enjoyed this look today as I got all into my skin. This is legit my everyday makeup look. The only difference is I change up my gloss or I change up my lashes. But besides that, this is like everyday. Like this is my everyday look. This is my go-to look. If I'm like, oh, I don't want to go out crazy, like go out crazy with the looks, this is what you get. So I do hope you guys like it, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up. Also, if you got this far in the video, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching today's video, guys, and until next time, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Yeah.